So you have some large files on your system, huh? That's why you found this video. No worries though, because I'm gonna show you how to clean all of that up. And we're gonna start on my desktop because I have got some other shit to clean up as well. I don't really know what yet because most of my system is just Steam files, but we're about to find out because today I'm gonna show you how to use FileLight. So to get started with this tutorial, go to Discover or your software store of choice and let's install FileLight. So this is what the software is called. FileLight, it's by KDE. It's what's actually included straight in my desktop as well, so I don't even need to really like download it, but you just may want to get it. It's also on FlatHub, so if you want to download it from there, then you can do that. FlatHub is like a place where you can get a lot of Linux apps, and as you can see, if we're going in here and we're going to type FileLight, then it's also going to show us that it's here and it's completely safe because, well, it has permission stuff. After we've done that, let's open FileLight, and when you open it, it'll look like this. You're gonna have the choice to like go to any folder, but in my case, I'm just gonna do my home folder, and boom, it's already done. Okay, so this chart is essentially all of your folders in the folder where you're currently in. So we are in home/Julian, and that means that this one right here is one folder inside of that folder, and you can see how much it takes up. That's basically like the circle around this, right? So this would be like roughly 80%, I think, because like, you know, we're like taking up that much here. And then the further up you go, that's like all of your subfolders, right? So in this folder, we have this folder that also consumes a lot, and then we have this folder that also consumes a little bit, but then we have other subfolders, and those are the colors here, right? So within that folder, we have those two folders that also take up shit, and that's kind of how you can read this chart, right? And then you can actually click into those and you can look at them even more carefully. But for me, what I can see, for example, is that in my videos folder, I have this huge cache clip folder, right? And so if we open this up in Finder, then we can see this is just like a list of cache clips, right? And if you're wondering what this is from DaVinci Resolve. So if you have DaVinci Resolve, then what you can just do is click delete, and that will boom, get rid of that folder, and now it's gone, meaning my videos folder is only 10.4 gigabytes big. And now I can start looking for other stuff, and I think this software is really cool. It's really cool that it's included like on Fedora just by default. Like I found this completely randomly. It's so fast, it's so nice. To the people who built this, really good job. Like this is just some really awesome software. Thank you so much for building it, and that's how you clean up your file system on Linux.